In this video, I will show you how to upload a trial reel. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So doing it is super simple. Simply select your video. So post your reel as normal, add your captions, your videos, whatever it is that you want to add. Tap on next, then simply go ahead and add your caption, whatever it is that you want to say on your video. And now all you need to do is simply scroll down, and under audience, you're going to see the option of trial reel. You simply need to select it to enable the option, and then you're going to click on share. As you can see, this video was posted as a trial reel. It might take a little bit longer for the video to get views because of course it's not being shown to anyone that follows you, but after 24 hours, you are going to be able to see more insights about your video. Now, after 24 hours, you can even wait 48, whatever the time you pick, it's fine. You can make your video public, meaning that now it's going to appear also on your feed. So it's a great way to test out your videos first. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.